He's chasing tornadoes. I'm just waiting.
Where did you come from?
Calmly.
Oh, that's funny. I wasn't expecting this when I turned the effect on. I forgot that I had put you guys' photos in here. I forgot that. You can be on any of the effects I have that have more than a place for more than one picture. Well, you're everywhere. I thought it was just me in this maze. I thought all roads ended with me. Apparently not. There's Justin. Look who's hiding in the corner. He likes hiding in corners. Corner pocket bird. Oh, there he is. I found you, Robin. You're in the corner. Get out of the corner pocket. Yeah, that's my hiding place. Thanks. Goodbye. I wasn't recording that. Pillows. I'm trying to learn how to make mine fly. Should ask Tori Amos, probably. Maybe Johnson Clark. This definitely feels like hell. This is hell's shape. And that's what it does. Whoa. This does not feel natural. Neither does this. There, now this one. Talk about thin in the waist.
They responded to a call, fucking, a person being shot at a residence. We got there when they go and search the house. Goddamn girl. And
Justin,
they
I'm
found
playing
that
Tetris with you.
and, said that they had that.
And me.
Of,
And
wax.
me. And you. And me. Oh. I lost. I don't know how to change the shapes. Oh. Well. Isn't that nice? Is this the point where they talk about men will like beg to die but they cannot die? They just want to but they can't. Oh. What? Do it, sing it. Me, Wakanda. It looks like you're like in the ether. At least there's some variety in this color and a separate me. I have good people.